Good afternoon to all. This is the main set for all Altair and this is the Altair RapidMiner Studio. In this we choose the data set from which we want. I have chosen which consists of the gender, payment method, and they can be a future customer or future outcome or yes or no, like that. At first we want to drag the data set from the repository to the process, and then we want to drag the models, whatever models we want. I selected decision tree, and later make sure the results, that means based on weights, and these are the results. At first this is the data set, this is the model, and these are the results, and then these are some results, and based on we can see that attribute weights, that means it shows like how important they are for this process. So we can say that the gender weights the more, and then the age, and then finally the payment, and at last. So this is the decision tree which shows the age. So the base means the based on the gender, we at first we want to show based on the gender. Almost more males use the payment methods based on the data. So when it comes to payment method, the age group greater than 31 or 31 based on the average age. So after 31 years, the payment methods of male are more, and they pay by using credit card mostly. And after that, some people will pay through check, and hardly less people use the cash. And then when we come to the age less than 32, that means average age. So here we can say that payment method. So credit card will be used by most of all. And then if we see on cash and check, almost both genders, there is no bias in it. All people will use these transaction methods. So based on this, we can say that how many people are using the payment methods, and how regular, how how many groups are involved in it, and which age groups are using the most payment methods. And here we can solve the problems like which payment method is mostly used, and which age group is mostly or regularly using these payment methods for anything. And we can also say that like which is leastly used, or which category of gender is more uh, uh, payment payment is more doing the payment methods, and etc. We can say that these are all the simple questions by which we can say that we may get answer from these outputs. And here we can also say that the weights criteria, I think gender, I think this is not possible, says these are the